All right, I just learned something about my 2024 GMC Canyon AT4 that you guys might run into trouble with as well. So when the day I brought it home, I was looking through the drive modes and this animation was not showing up. I got it to show up as I looked through it a little bit, and then it quit. And so I could still get the little icon on the dash over here. Whoop. I'm sorry, it got out of focus. But I couldn't get it to show up over here. So I learned a trick on the Facebook owners group for this truck. You press and hold down on the hang up button for about 10 or 15 seconds. It would pop up a message over here to factory reset the infotainment system or screen or whatever, and you hit yes for that, and it takes a few seconds and it starts over. It did not get rid of my phone, so my music out of my phone started playing as soon as it popped back up, but I was able to get in here and use the drive mode and see the graphics like it's supposed to be, and that fixed that problem. Hope this helps somebody.